Assalamu alaikum class. I'm Aksa Hanif. I hope so that you all will be fine and in good health. So today's our topic is valency and ion. As you are reading about the unit number 6, structure of an atom. In the valency and ion, we will read about what is valency, what is ion, and how ionic bond is formed. Before starting the topic, there is a moral lesson. The best way to predict your future is to create it. What does it mean? It means that we shall be very hardworking. If all of us we want a bright future, if we want the bright future, then we shall be very hardworking. Then Allah will also help us, and our future will be bright, and our future will be good. We can create our future ourselves. So be good, be hardworking, and you can create your future yourself. Before starting the valency, there is some story is there that if anyone is doing a good thing, right, we gave him a positive point, we gave him a credit that he or she is a very good person, he have done the good things, and we gave him a positive point. And in this way, if the anyone is doing a bad thing and we gave him a negative point, no, he's not doing a good work, he or she is not good, so we say them that we give them a negative sign. So on the basis of this thing, the valency is based. Valency is the number of electron an atom gains, loses, or share to make it stable. This is known as valency. Mean an atom loses its electron, gain its electron to make it stable. It is known as its valency. लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज शोन बाय अ पॉजिटिव साइन, राइट. लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? पॉजिटिव साइन से. मीन इफ एन एटम गेव द इलेक्ट्रॉन टू एनीवन एल्स in the help, so he got the positive sign. Sodium loses one electron, its valency is positive 1, mean he is helping the other one. So in this way, if the other element is gaining the electron, mean if he needs the electron and he took the electron to anyone else, so he got the negative sign. It means that he is taking the things from the other, he is doing the bad thing, right, and he got the negative one. You will remember it. Okay, now you know that an atom consists of 3 shells, right? K shell, L shell, M shell. K shell contains 2 electrons, L shell contains the 8 electrons, and M shell contains 18 electrons. There is a distribution of electrons, and this way all the elements have distribution of electrons according to their number, according to their atomic number, right? So there are 2 possibilities to stay the element to be happy. Number 1 possibility is there, they can get electrons to fill their shells. Mean if the K shell of the sodium as like L shell of the sodium having the 7 electron, then he needs the 1 electron to be stable, and he gain the 1 electron to anyone else, and he will be a stable, he will got the 8 electrons in L shell, so he will be happy. Number 2, they can give electrons and have completed second shell. If for example sodium having 9 electrons in the L shell, right, then it means that he is having the more electrons, then he will give the 1 electron, extra electron to anyone else, mean to chlorine, so sodium will become stable. So these 2 possibilities are there to stay happy, right? And according to these 2 possibilities, we shall see the examples now. First of all, example of sodium is there, Na11, right? 11 electrons, 2 filled shells, and 1 extra electron in 12 shells. Now you can see here, there is there is a K shell, there is 2 electrons, then there is L shell, there are how many electrons? 8 electrons, and in M shell there are 1 electron extra. So sodium will lose 1 electron and give to another one, and he will become the stable. And this way, example of magnesium is there. Magnesium is having 12 electrons, right? 2 filled shells and 2 electrons in the third shell. So magnesium will lose the 2 electrons from the M shell and give to other, and its valency become how many valency? 2 valency, because it loses 2 electron. Excellent. valency is that mean loss of electron or gain of electron, that is its valency. Magnesium is loses 2 electrons, so its valency will be 2. Here is sodium. Sodium is loses 1 electron, so its valency will be 1. Excellent. Okay ji. Now here is the example of gaining electron. Here are the oxygen. Oxygen is having 8 total electrons, 1 filled shell 2 electrons, and the L shell is having 6 electrons. In spite of 6 electrons, sodium needs 2 more electrons to be stable. So oxygen will gain the 2 more electrons and become the stable. So its valency will be 2 because oxygen is gaining 2 electrons. Excellent. Okay ji. Now example of chlorine is there. Chlorine is having 17 total electrons, 2 filled shells K and L, 1 missing electron in M shell having 1 missing electrons. So chlorine will gain 1 electron and complete its M shell, right? Mean 18 electrons will be there in the M shell. So the valency of the chlorine will be how much valency? 1, because he is gaining the 1 electron. Excellent. Okay ji. Here is the table which is showing the valency of the element hydrogen 1 plus, potassium 1 plus, sodium 1 plus, copper 2 plus, mean copper is gaining 2 electrons, magnesium 2 plus, magnesium is gaining 2 electrons, aluminium 3 plus, aluminium is gaining 3 electrons, chlorine 1 minus. Why 1 minus? Because chlorine is loses 1 electron. Very good. Oxygen 2 minus. Why 2 minus? Because oxygen is gaining 2 electrons. Fluorine 1 minus. It means that fluorine is 1 minus mean gaining 1 electron. Nitrogen 3 minus. It mean nitrogen is gaining 3 electron. Positive mean that it is giving and negative mean it is gaining. ठीक है, इसमें मिक्स नहीं करना आपने. पॉजिटिव का मतलब है कि ये गेन कर, ये दे रहा है, ठीक है, लूज कर रहा है, किसी को दे रहा है, ठीक है. और नेगेटिव मीन दैट इट इज गेनिंग, राइट. सो इट्स गॉट द नेगेटिव वन, right? Okay ji. Here is one need to know. The valency of an atom can be found from periodic table. The vertical columns of periodic tables are called groups. ठीक है, हम vertical columns को क्या कहते हैं? Groups कहते हैं. Group number of an atom is its valency number. For example, group number of an atom is 2, then its valency will be 2. Group number of an atom will be 3, then its valency will be 3. Now the next one thing is ion. That what is ion? Ion are the atoms with extra electron or missing electron. ठीक है, ions क्या होते हैं? With extra electron or missing electron means they are giving some electron to animal else or they have an extra electrons, right? So there is one neutral atom is there. Neutral atom is an atom having number of electrons equal to its atomic number. Mean number of electron will be equal to its number of proton. Atomic number क्या है? Number of proton. If the oxygen is having 8 proton, then electron will also having the 8 electron, right? Got it? Okay ji. Now here are two types of ions, cation and anion, right? Cation is the one atom releases electron, it's become an cation. Cat से आपसे याद रखना है that it is giving, it is releasing, it is losing the electron, right? So it loses the electron, so it goes the positive point. If anyone loses its electron, mean it's helping the other one, so it's got the positive charge, right? For example, sodium, potassium, calcium, Ca2 plus. Usually metal atoms releases electron, right? Metal atom releases more electron and they got the more positive points. Anion is there. When an atom gains electron, it becomes an anion. Means if he needs anything, then it got a negative sign. Non-metal atoms gain electron. Non-metal atoms mostly gain electron, means they are having the negative sign, right? The name of the union is changed to an IDE, right? Its name will be IDE. Examples are fluorine and chlorine. Now here is the table is there, the atoms, cations are there and anions are there, right? Now here is लॉस और गेन ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन, लाइक जो कि गेन भी करते हैं और लॉस भी करते हैं, ठीक है. H प्लस Na प्लस K प्लस Ag प्लस Au. नाउ हेयर आर एनाइंस, F माइनस, क्लोरीन माइनस, ब्रोमीन माइनस, आयोडीन माइनस. In this way, gain of 2 electrons, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, Sr2 plus, Fe2 plus mean they are losing 2 electrons, and in this way they are gaining 2 electrons, right? And here are some elements which are losing 3 electrons and which are gaining 3 electrons. So these tables you will learn. Right, ionic compound are there. Now what is ionic compound? Ionic compound is an atom receive or gives electron to another atom. It makes a bond with that atom, right? For example, here is an example, NaCl. This one is the Na. Na is having 2 electron in the K shell, 8 electron in the L shell and 1 extra electron in the M shell. Now this electron is extra. Sodium wants to make it stable and he will give the electron to chlorine because chlorine needs the 1 electron to complete its outermost shell, to complete its M shell. So when our sodium will give its 1 electron to Cl, chlorine, then the sodium will become the positive one and the chlorine will become the negative one. Sodium will get the positive sign and we will say the sodium ion is a cation and chlorine will be the anion. So there is a bond is formed that will be known as ionic bond, and this is known as sodium chloride. This bond is formed and the result sodium chloride is formed. Now your homework is there. You will learn this table and practice on rough copy 2 times. Which tables? This ionic compound, ions table, and this one table, this valency table. You will learn and you will practice these 2 tables on your rough copies. Thank you so much, class. If you have any issue, if you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you.